Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we re-diving into the world of one of the most vibrant and beloved flowers on the planet, the marigold. With their dazzling bursts of orange and yellow, these flowers are like little suns, instantly adding a splash of joy and beauty to gardens, balconies, and even temples. So, what's the story behind this radiant flower? Scientifically known as *Tagetes, erecta*, which many call the African or Aztec marigold. It's actually native to Mexico and Central America. It belongs to the Asteraceae family, making it a cousin to other cheerful flowers like sunflowers and daisies. Marigolds aren't just one size fits. Well, they come in several lovely varieties. The African marigold stands tall with large, globe-like flowers, making a bold statement in any garden. Then there's the French marigold, which is smaller, bushier, and often features stunning deep orange or reddish patterns. And let's not forget the signet marigold. It has delicate, smaller blooms with a lovely citrus scent, and its petals are even edible. Beyond their beauty, marigolds are incredibly useful. They are a staple in festivals, weddings, and religious ceremonies around the world. But did you know they're also a gardener's best friend? Farmers often plant them near vegetables because they act as a natural pest repellent, protecting crops from unwanted insects. Their vibrant color is so potent that it's used in cosmetics and as a natural dye. Plus, they're packed with antioxidants, which have found their way into herbal medicine and skincare products. A quick word of caution, though. If you're allergic to plants like ragweed, daisies, or chrysanthemums, you might have a reaction to marigolds too, so be mindful. And a very important note, while some marigold varieties are edible, like the calendula or pot marigold, never eat the ornamental ones you find in most gardens. Always be sure what you're consuming. The cultural significance of the marigold is just as rich as its color. In India, these flowers are considered sacred, symbolizing purity, prosperity, and auspicious beginnings. You'll see them everywhere during festivals like Diwali and Durga Puja. And they are essential in wedding decorations, woven into beautiful garlands. Meanwhile, in Mexico, the marigold is known as the Flor de Muerto, or flower of the dead. During the Dia de los Muertos celebrations, their bright petals and strong scent are believed to guide the spirits of loved ones back to their altars. Thinking of growing your own? Great news. Marigolds are incredibly easy to care for. They thrive in full sunlight and well-drained soil. Just plant the seeds, and you'll have beautiful blooms all summer long. Plus, they're fantastic for the ecosystem, attracting beneficial pollinators like bees and butterflies to your garden. And now for some fun facts. Marigolds are amazing at naturally keeping away mosquitoes and those pesky nematodes in the soil. Here's a quirky one. Their petals are sometimes added to chicken feed to give the egg yolks a richer, more golden color. In the language of flowers, the marigold is also a symbol of creativity, passion, and positive energy. So why not add a touch of sunshine to your own space? I highly encourage you to try growing some marigolds in your garden or a pot on your balcony. You'll be amazed at how much cheer they can bring. Thanks for watching today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Remember, a small marigold can brighten up your entire world. See you next time.